Welcome to the new AAEA Abstract Management System. Please read the deadlines on the cover page, then click to submit a session at the bottom of the page. This page will show all of your other sessions that you have already submitted. They may show a work in progress or ready to be reviewed. If you would like to add a new submission, and in this case, an invited paper or organized symposium, click here to add another submission. First, you will want to select the submission type, so either an invited paper or an organized symposium. Please note any field with a red arrow is a required field. For this tutorial, we will go over invited paper session format with 2 papers and 2 discussants. The process for 3 papers is the same, except you'll be entering an additional abstract, presenters, and co-authors with 1 discussant. Organized symposiums have 2 session format options: a panel discussion with discussant, and a panel format does not require an abstract submission, or an oral presentation with up to 6 presentations. Each presentation requires an abstract upload. Allied association submissions must select at least 1 sponsoring section from the list. Your first step will be to enter the session title. Scroll down and enter in the session description and session rationale. Next, you will need to upload a PDF copy of an abstract for each paper. In this case, you will upload 2 abstracts. Next, select a subject code for your session, then click Next. Please read over the terms and conditions, agree to the terms with the 2 checkboxes at the bottom, sign, and then click Next. Each session must have 1 organizer or a submitter. By default, the submitter is the organizer. Click on Add People for the presenters, panelists, or co-authors. Type in the first and last name. If the person is a member, their name will appear, and select the person. Please be sure to select the correct person, since multiple people have the same first and last name. If the name is not in our member database, click Add New Person. This is a reminder on the next field box that all the red arrows are required fields. Enter the role for this person, affiliation, and the presentation title for that presenter or co-authors, then click Add Person. To add additional people, click on Add People. You do not need to add a presentation title when selecting a discussant, since they are discussant for the session and not the presentation. When finished entering people, select Next. This page is a summary of your submission and shows the session details, abstracts, and all participants in the session. Please review and print a copy if desired. If satisfied with the information, click the Submit Now, or if you would like to make changes or you don't have the information to submit, click Do Not Submit Yet and return to the home page. You will be able to edit and add the details of your invited paper session. However, keep in mind that it is not submitted for review until you click on Submit Now. Once you submit the session, you should receive an email acknowledging your submission. All participants except co-authors will receive an email listing them as a participant in this session. If you have any further details regarding how to enter a submission for an invited paper or organized symposium, please reach out to the AAEA staff at info@aaea.org. Thanks.